So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That is me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. Thank you for hanging in there with me. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, I do have my Boxycharm Premium. It has arrived. So, if you want to see, because I absolutely don't remember. So, yeah, I don't remember what I picked. I have no idea. So, if you want to see, like I want to see, what's inside this box, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yeah, so we do have Boxycharm. This is the premium, I believe. Yeah, the blue. For the month of June. Now, I don't remember what I picked. I have no idea. Heck, I don't even remember what I picked for July. Just saying. But yeah, first, before I'm going to have to open this. While I'm doing that, let me explain. This is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, both inside and out, for the mind, the body, and the soul. And I say that because if I can make you laugh, if I can take you away from the world for a little while with one of my videos, or any video, for that matter, that I create, then I've done what I came to do. All the while learning and playing in makeup. I mean, who doesn't like that, right? Hence the look. I don't know. I just started to mix shadows, and it got bigger and bigger and bigger, and then I went in with the shimmer, and yeah, I am loving the Perception palette, guys. I need to do a dedicated, like, full tutorial on that video, on that palette, because it is, like, just so good. But anyway, if you would please, if you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so. We are trying to get, I guess, to 900 is my next goal, because I do, I'm hoping that I did the giveaway already. I should have been already announced the winners to my 750. If the giveaway hasn't started yet, it will when we reach 900. So, yeah, I mean, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It would mean the world to me. This is a family, guys. Like, I consider this my family. You guys are my family. Whoever joins, once you hit that red button, you are part of the family, and you will be treated as such. I mean, I love talking to you guys. I love chit-chatting. I go to all you guys for advice, and yeah, it's just a thing. And I love, learning about makeup. So I can't say come on this channel and learn everything, but what I can tell you is please come on this channel and learn with me. So we do unboxings, we do try-ons, new releases. I will give you my opinion on some things, and please don't forget to rate the video thumbs up. Also, make sure your bell is on, because, guys, I announce the winners that way, okay? Not always do I have my giveaways in the thumbnail, too. I do hidden giveaways as well. So, and there is a hidden giveaway going on right now. It's in one of the videos I posted just recently, so you'll want to go check that out if you haven't already. So yeah, without further yapping, let me go ahead and get in this. I didn't even open it. I should have. Okay, so here it is. It is not open. There's my label always. I didn't get the P.O. box yet, I don't think. If I did, it'll be down in the description box. But I am working on it, guys. I am. All right, so I did open it. This is all back. No, see. Oops. Sorry, guys. I have to switch shoulders because I'm going to knock this hat off my head. My attempt at straightening my hair didn't work. I did cut it, though. Did I tell you that? I think I did in my other video. Oh, no. Miss Queen of the Castle is up. So, this is what I see. Oh, no. Oh, no. Please be a card. No card? Let me just be quiet and look first before I have a heart attack. Oh, there is. Thank you, Jesus. There it is. So, again, the, Dare to Dazzle is the theme. There you have it right there. Okay. And, guys, I will hold up the variation that I got so y'all can see. Okay, so I will hold it there. Hopefully it will focus, okay? Now, let's go ahead and get on into this, shall we? I'm goofy, I'm sleepy. Okay, so the first thing I see is this. This is coriander seed and marjoram. I cannot say that word. I've seen it many times. It's a spice, or at least I think it is. Eye cream. Mulpilum. There's the bottom. That's the name, okay? This is what it looks like. It's just a little guy. I thought we were supposed to get full size. What? Okay, I'm a little confused. Wait a minute. Let me just read. Okay. It says the eye cream contains quinona extract, coriander, oats, and vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. So they are saying this is a full size. No way. Oh, this is worse than Ipsy. Oh my gosh, guys. I kid you not. I wish you could see it. It's right here. I swear. It's right here. Right here to the back of the words. That's not cool, Boxycharm. Really not. I called Ipsy on it. I'm going to call you on it too. And Macy's. I called Macy's out for it. I mean, I get they all do it, but geez, come on now. All right, anyway. $35. This is the premium. That's what I'm saying. This is like every month expensive more than the 25, but okay. So this is valued at $39. Not this. I would say half that, but okay. Just saying, since it's half full, half price. Okay. Now the second thing I'm pulling out is this is Skin Regimen 1.85 AH Booster Hydrating Plumping Concentrate. Who's it from? I guess Skin Regimen. Yeah. This is Skin Regimen, a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, Marco, and cross-linked. To infuse, oh, so those are the 3 kinds, micro, Marco, and cross-linked. To infuse the skin, lock in moisture and at various levels and restore optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicone and synthetic fragrances, 99.2% natural origin ingredients. Whoa, manufacturer retail price $115. Okay, so there it is there. I have never seen a hyaluronic acid. Guys, I have my good molecules. It's $6, but it's good because it has the different levels. Remember I was saying about different levels will penetrate into different parts of your face. You know, different layers, I should say. And this is what they're trying to say here, but holy moly, I am not going to open this because yeah, I have so many going. I like rotate or I mix them sometimes. I'm guessing that's the boom in the box, so let's move on. So we have something from Floss, which, didn't we just get this? Where did I just get this? Oh, from the Box by Fashion. Okay. Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. So this is a double duty. You know, it works for 2 things. Hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless beachy vibe. Formulated for convenience, ease of use, which I'm all for. These weatherproof, no brush needed tints blend seamlessly into the skin for all day wear. Apply directly onto cheeks and lips and blend out with the tips of your fingers. Okay, so no tools needed. And I'm going on vacation, so I'm kind of liking that. What is this? How do we open this? Oh no. Oh, it's a screw up. Oh, it's a screw up. Okay, please be a good color. No, I can't. No, this is. I got it marked on my profile. This is browns or orange and rust. Look at that's pretty. It's kind of that color. It really is. That's pretty true to form. Maybe a little darker, but yeah. I mean here, but no. That's just not my shade. I don't think. I don't know. No. All right. Well, I'm happy with my e.l.f. Well, see, the e.l.f. is kind of like that, but not really. I mean. I don't know. I guess it's not this bright. It's not that bright on camera. It's definitely more muted than that. That looks hecka orange. It's really not. It's more of a brown peachy like. But anyway, I guess depending on the look I use, like I didn't use this blush. I used the ColourPop because it's more of like a cranberry pinky color and, you know, to go with my eye look and, you know, the whole face. I'll probably end up putting in a giveaway, to be honest with you. Okay, so how much is it? And it does screw down, so that's kind of cool. This is $22. And then we do have this, which these are Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. I did not pick these. I know I didn't. No, I did not. Are they magnetic? No. Super lightweight and ultra fluffy fibers on a soft cotton band. Well, I don't know about the cotton band. Okay. Allows for style to meet comfort. Made with a layered light crisscross pattern and tapered ends, leaving you with the ultimate natural glam look. Okay, well I do like natural, but let's see. Are they really natural? Let's check it out because some people's naturals are another girl's glam. So, just saying. I mean, they're not as poofy as these, although they do kind of flip up. See, I gotta be careful when they curl up like that because they hit my hoods, and yeah, it's very uncomfortable. It's tickles, you know. But I'll give them a try. Well, I don't know. I have so many lashes. I prefer, honestly, guys, I would love, like, no bands. Except for Glitz Glam Box. For some reason, their lashes are just so light and so airy. I feel like I have nothing on my eyes, you know? So this is, it's new launch, so no one has these, so that's kind of cool. And they're valued at $15.99. You know, I've never seen lashes like $12. Well, yeah, I have. It's $10. Most of the lashes I see are $8.99, $7.99, like 99. I don't know why they just don't add that penny or take away the 99 cents. Anyway, I just find that this is things I think of when I'm home alone. Just saying, guys. That's how I entertain myself sometimes. I am happy, and I did pick these. Carly, can you not? Oh, she's here. She heard me when I said Queen of the Castle. That's what it is. I know. Sorry, Carly was about to like hop over everything. Okay, so this is one size from Patrick Starr. This is his brand, if you don't know. I was very upset that I didn't get this palette, but I did get the palette. See, that's the thing. Wait for it. It's coming. All right. I mean, the video. I have the palette. I will explain everything how I got it when that video goes up. Okay. These are one size. Secure the blur. Hydrating. Loving that. Under eye patches. And you know your girl loves some under eye patches. Yes, I do. How much are these? Okay. A pack of 6. Oh, yes. Super size. So that's cool. I put them on and I do my shadows. That's what I do. And it kind of like helps the fallout for sure. It's like utilizing my time. You know what I mean? Anyway, there are 6 and I'm loving that because better than 3 Rhode Isle Boxycharm. Anyway, don't mind me. It's late. It's the last video for sure. And I'm goofy. Okay, so a pack of supersized under eye patches that help hydrate, depuff, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and texture. Cool. Get into this self-care moment, and you know that I'm loving that. These are retailed at $25, which is not really bad if you think about it, because remember there's 6 of them, so that's awesome. Now, I did not pick this. I know I didn't pick it, matter of fact, but I'm very happy that I got it because I do love Dominique Cosmetics. But the thing is, you know, I have the Jeffree Star Nudes palette, so I'm thinking, why do I need another one? This is an all matte palette again. You know, it's already been done, and all matte palettes, especially like with these colors, you only kind of need one of them. But I have to say, I've heard some things about this palette. Now, I have a lot of Dominique Cosmetics palettes from her, okay? From, like, you know, that I legit purchased from her launches and, you know, Sephora, whatever. But this, I have heard, is not the same quality, and I want to see where it's made. Hold on, I will check on her other ones. Made in the US. Anyway, let's take a look at the packaging. I'm sorry, I took it out. Okay, so there is the unicorn, which is very, very nice. It is that matte. It's not like super like, but it is very nice, just the same. So there you have it, and you do have the shades on the back right there, which, you know, it's a neutral palette. So when you take it out of the carton, hold on, let me, it's very nicely weighted, I will say that. Like, there's a lot of weight to it. Okay, so this is what it looks like, okay? And it is Transition Palette, Dominique Cosmetics. So, you know, transition, I get what she's going for, like the inner, you know, the inner transition, which, hey, who can't use a bunch of good transition colors, right? And the pans are big. This is the one thing I love about Dominique Cosmetics, always. When she does her palettes, like the Latte 2 palette, just the berries and cream, which I am loving, by the way. There's always a inspirational quote on the inside of the mirror, and this is a very good mirror, I must say. So I don't know if she changed her formula. People are saying yes. I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna watch anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this. I'm probably gonna end up keeping this. If I can get another one, because I know there's a ton of them on the MSA swap site. If I can swap for another one, I will create a look and we will do a giveaway, okay? So, see this guy, this is what I try to do. Like, I try to get some stuff that I know I won't use. I mean, I could put it in a giveaway, but I know there's stuff that you would probably want more, so I'll go ahead and swap that out for something that I can put in yet another giveaway. As long as I have it already, and I, you know, it's something I think it's good. If I get my hands on it, then I'll definitely do that, you know. Here's what the palette looks like. It is very, it feels very nice quality, I must say. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And again, these are transition colors. Every undertone, every shade you could possibly think of. Kind of like the Jeffree Star. And like I said, if you can't use these as eyeshadows, you can absolutely use them to bronze up, to try and contour, find your right undertone, because that is what I did with the Jeffree Star palette, and it worked. Thank you to the Not So Evil Stepmother. Mwah, love you, Alex, because she absolutely helped me, and I was going crazy. Now all I have to do is, like I said, find that exact shade in a bronzer, because I'm eventually going to run out of the eyeshadow. I will hit pan on the eyeshadow if I keep going, so let's just put it that way. Anyway, for the bronzer, I used the Duce that we got in Ice Cream Beauty. So go figure, and I'm liking that. And it went on very nice, not patchy, and I do have the lights turned down. So, because I wanted you to see. You know, a lot of times you put the lights up, it just kind of makes everything look perfect, but I'm not about having to look perfect, you know what I mean? I just want you to be able to see that things that are being done. So maybe this side's a little darker than that side, I don't know, but yeah, it kind of is. Hold on. Hold please. That's a little better, I guess. I don't know. Sorry about that. And they do have, you know, frothy, natural caramel, toffee. Very good names, like yummy, yummy names. And like I said, if I can get my hands on another one, we will absolutely do a giveaway with this palette, okay? Comment down below if that's something you think. I know, you know, it's in Boxycharm, yes. But if you don't have it, or, you know, you don't get Boxycharm, so I'm kind of looking out for people like that. Or, you know, you have it and you think it's such a great palette, you'd like to gift it to someone, but you just don't have the money for it or whatever. If I like something, you know, or the brand, and I can get my hands on another one, like I said, I will absolutely do that at, you know, even if I could purchase it at a discounted price. As long as it's a real thing, I will definitely, you know, have a giveaway. So there you go. Let's recap, guys. So this is $48. We have the one size, which is $25. I do remember that. And then the lashes, which are $15.99. I do remember that. This, yeah, $115. That is the serum, the hyaluronic serum. I mean, am I going to use this? Yes, absolutely, because it's hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid serum. So I'm definitely going to use it when I run out. Okay, so then we did have the little flossy guy, which I won't be using. And what else? We do have the half full eye cream. Okay. And I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So there you have it for the month of June. I will leave the total of the box right here. And tell me, what do you think? What's your favorite item in this box? Are we box twins? Did you get this box? Do you get the premium? If you get the premium, are you excited about next month's box? And what did you pick for next month's box? I want to know all the details. Please leave me in the comment down below. And guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you are going through something, or you have, you know, just something on your mind, please share about it, because, you know, talking about it and working through it is absolutely a way to deal with it. Also, if you are asked by someone to sit down and just listen, please do just that, because you very well may help them. Also, in this crazy mixed up world, I say it all the time, please guys, be safe. Until the next one, see ya.